Fernando, all your signals keep strengthening. Exxon was number 2 on the impact table on Friday to the upside, next to I think Apple actually.
There's certainly the tensions and then the shift to Quad 3, always very good for energy, especially some of the larger cap names. Yeah, with the Iran thing, I think that I look now at oil only being up a little bit, less than 2% today. And we mentioned on a call on Thursday with the Colonel that we don't think that the Iranians have the ability to close the Strait of Hormuz, and much less hold it for a very extended period of time. It'd be very, very bad for their oil exports, for their main supporter, China. And so the likelihood that that happens is very small. Nonetheless, you have two factors here contributing. One, you are making it more expensive to ship. It's going to be some additional issues on supply coming from the Strait of Hormuz that make oil move higher and being stronger on the risk ranges, and then strengthening, especially the players that have less impact here. We liked a venture, for example, VG, who's the main LNG exporter. Remember, Qatar, who's the largest exporter of LNG, goes through the strait. And second, we liked the oil E&Ps. We've upgraded FANG, Diamondback, Matador MTDR, and Permian Resources PR because of this shift in oil prices. It gives the U.S. that is today mostly self-sufficient, and especially if you account for North American oil, we're mostly self-sufficient. We don't rely on the strait. So it gives us a leg up. Also, just in the security of supply, which is paramount for a lot of buyers. You see that also with the narrowing of the Brent WTI spread. It's only about $1 right now per barrel. I should mention we also like Argentina. We're going to have a call tomorrow at 10 a.m. of Black Book updating on YPF, TGS, and Pampa, tickers YPF, TGS, and PAM. Those are not as much on the signal strength list because Argentina itself is going to go through, we expect go through a Quad 4, but they are still relatively strong, and because of the oil strength, they should do better than their market. But I mentioned also Quad 3 is good for energy. That's another factor that's helping names like Exxon.
Yeah, Quad 3, I like how you did that because I'll have plenty of clients that really want the certainty point. Like, can you pick Quad 4 or Quad 3? And the answer is no. I know what you want, but I'm not going to give it to you, right? I know you want a third scoop of ice cream, but you're not going to get it. Like there is no more. I mean, at Quad 3, I mean, the number one factor to keep you in a quarterly trending Quad 3 is oil. So, you have that dynamic, and every incremental asset allocation buy that I've put, like or something even in real-time alerts. I mean, it's been in real-time alerts, actually a better example. Like I bought silver on sale on Friday. I didn't buy like HIMS. I didn't buy like a smaller cap consumer or healthcare discretionary stock. I bought energy stocks before that on sale when the only down day they had prior to the ramp. So it's really adding Quad 3 for the quarterly is what the signal's having me do. Again, the fractals don't care about me. I have to care about them and what they're telling me to do and respecting it with all the humility in the world, being as dumb or intelligent as I possibly think I am on both sides of the spectrum.
Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.